Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Student, look. Today our topic exercise 9.2 part 1. Term Annual 2021, lecture 14. Look, at first, as this is the new chapter, so at first I will discuss with you. That means this is the basic concept. Look, the values of trigonometric ratios of the angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree are given below. Ratio angle, this is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. And sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. You know this is the trigonometric ratios. And you see this is the angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The sine 0 degree equal to what? Sine 0 degree equal to 0, sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2, sine 90 degree equal to 1. Now, cos. Now I will talk about cos. Student, look. You see this table is so much longer and this is memorizing is so much tough for you. Okay. So you have to use a technique. At first write sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. You have to memorize the 4 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, these 5 values. Okay, sine 0 degree means 0, sine 30 degree means 1 by 2, 45 degree means 1 by root 2, 60 degree means root 3 by 2, 90 degree means 1. Okay. Now cos. How can you determine cos? Okay. Look, you write in conversely. That means you see 1, right here 1, then root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0. Okay, student? I hope you understood. Cos, for determination of angles, cos, you have to write in conversely. Okay? 1, 90 degree 1 is equal to what? 1. Now write for cos in conversely. 1, then root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0. Okay? Student, you have to memorize only the trigonometric ratio of sine for angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay? No need to memorize more, but you have to use the technique and determine the cosec 0 degree equal to what? Suppose sec 45 degree equal to what? This type of value. Okay? You have to determine and using some technique. Okay, student? You know, so sine theta equal to what? Sine theta, then cos theta, then tan theta. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos, this is cos theta. Base by hypotenuse. I have written short form. Perpendicular by base. Look, this can be written as short form PAS, BAS, then PB. Look, student, Sin theta equal to what? We know perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. Okay? But remember, it is very difficult for you to memorize the trigonometric ratios. Suppose sin theta equal to what? Perpendicular or base, or hypotenuse or perpendicular. Sometimes you confuse. So I have written sin theta equal to P by S. That means P is short from technique. P means perpendicular. S means hypotenuse. Similarly, cos theta, BS, that means base by hypotenuse. Tan theta, PB, that means perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. Okay, this is the technique. Okay. Suppose you have to determine the value of cosec theta. Cosec theta, look, cosec theta. Cosec theta, this is equal to what? We know sin theta and cosec theta, they are the converse. So this will be hypotenuse by perpendicular. Okay, student? Cosec theta equal to what? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Similarly, cos, its converse is tan theta. Sec theta. Sec theta equal to what? Hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. Similarly, cot theta. This is the converse of tan theta. That means this is the cot theta. Cot theta equal to what? Cot theta equal to base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular. Okay, student? These are the trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Okay, these are the trigonometric ratios. Student, in the exercise 9.1, that means which is the in half yearly syllabus, I will discuss regarding this matter. Okay, but yet today I will discuss about this, because when you determine the angle of cot 30 degree, cot 45 degree, cot 60 degree, then in that case this is also need. Okay, suppose, look student, suppose I told you in the first case you memorize only the value of sine angle. Sine 0 degree, 0 degree means 0, 30 degree means 1 by 2, 45 degree means 1 by root 2, 60 degree means root 3 by 2, and 90 degree means 1. Okay, you memorize only this line. Okay, you have to memorize this line. Okay, otherwise you determine this formula. Okay, look now why this formula is or trigonometric ratio is necessary. Look, suppose we want to determine tan 30 degree. Okay, look, tan 30 degree equal to what? Tan 30 degree equal to what? We know tan 30 degree means what? Tan means what? Sine by cos. Okay? Tan theta means sine theta by cos theta. Okay? That means sine 30 degree by cos 30 degree. Then sine 30 degree equal to what? Sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. Okay? From the table of the first figure, then cos 30 degree equal to what? Cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Okay, student? Student, look, I don't know what is the value of tan 30 degree, but I use here a technique and determine the value of tan 30 degree. Okay, as this is the first time for you, so it seems a little bit difficult for you, but if you practice, then no, this is very easier for you. Look, sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. Okay, that means this is the first line of the series or of the table. Sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Now write, that means 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. Okay, 2 2 and 2 vanish. Then we get 1 by root 3. That means we can say tan 30 degree equal to what? 1 by root 3. Okay? Tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Now see the table. You see, now the table, tan 30 degree equal to what? 1 by root 3. Okay? Tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, student? Similarly, you can determine another angle. Suppose tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree equal to what? Sin 90 degree by cos 90 degree. We know sin 90 degree equal to what? 1. And cos 90 degree equal to what? Converse, that means 0. Look, 1 by 0. 1 by 0. We cannot divide this. So this is called undefined. Okay, this is called undefined. Okay, now see the table. Now see the table. Tan 90 degree equal to what? You see, tan 90 degree equal to what? Undefined. That means 1 by 0, as it is 1 by 0. So this is undefined. That means we cannot determine the value. Okay? Student, I hope you understood, and you have to use this type of technique, and you can determine the rest of the values for the respective angles. Okay, student. Now I will solve some problem using or with the help of the respective angles. Okay. Look, exercise 9.2, question number 8. Determine the values. Question number 8 and 9. And see, student, 1 to 7, there are MCQ. Okay, there are MCQ. Look, now we have to determine the values of 8 number 1 minus cot 60 degree plus 1 plus cot 60 degree. Cot square. This is 1 plus cot square 60 degree. 1 minus cot square 60 degree. Student, remember, we have to write cot 60 degree and 1 plus cot 60 degree. Okay? Student, remember, don't write like this way. Cot 60 degree, this. Okay, this way. Cot 60 degree square. Okay, student, don't write like this way. Okay? You have to write cot 60 degree and whole square. Okay? Now look, we know cot 60 degree equal to what? We know cot 60 degree equal to 1 minus 1 by root 3. Whole square, then 1 plus cot 60 degree. This is equal to what? 1 by root 3 whole square. Now, like, give this, then 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 3. Look here, student, in short form we can say square and root vanish. Square and root vanish, then you get 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 3. This is equal to what? We have to do the LCM. There is 1, consider there is 1. 3, then 3 plus 1, similarly 3 minus 1, then 3 plus 1 by 3. Then this is equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 2 by 3, then 3 by 3 plus 1, 4. 3 vanish, then you get 1 by 2. Okay? That means the value of 1 minus cot square 60 degree by 1 plus cot square 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. Okay, student? And this is the result. Student, now I will solve Question number 9. Tan 45 degree into sin 60 degree into tan 30 degree into tan 60 degree. Student, suppose you face here problem. We don't know the value of tan 45 degree. Then how can we determine? We know tan means what? Sin by cos. That means sin 45 degree divided by cos 45 degree. Okay? Sin 45 degree equal to what? 1 by root 2. Similarly, cos 45 degree equal to what? 1 by root 2. Okay? Then you can determine look root 2 by variance. Then we get 1. Okay? Like this way. That means we have got tan 45 degree equal to 1. So write tan 45 degree equal to 1 into sin 60 degree equal to what? You memorize because this is the first series of the table. Sin 60 degree equal to what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. And remember sin 30 degree equal to what? 1 by 2. Tan 30 degree equal to what? Tan 30 degree equal to, suppose we don't know the value of tan 30 degree, then how can we? Sin 30 degree by cos 30 degree. Look, sin 30 degree means what? 1 by 2. And cos 30 degree means what? Root 3 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, then 2 by root 3. 2 to many. Then that means tan 30 degree equal to what? 1 by root 3. One by root 3 into tan 60 degree means what? Root 3. Then look, root 3 vanish. This is numerator 1 and root 3. That means root 3. And denominator is only 2. And this is the result. Okay, student. Now see question number 12. See question number 12. Left hand. See the question at first. Cos square 30 degree minus sin square 30 degree equal to cos 60 degree. Okay, we have to show this. Look, cos square 30 degree minus sin square 30 degree equal to what? Cos 60 degree. Okay, we have to show that. Alright, left hand side. Cos square 30 degree minus sin square 30 degree. Look, we know cos 30 degree equal to what? Cos 30 degree means root 3 by 2. And this is whole square minus sin 30 degree equal to what? Sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and whole square. This means 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Now calculate 3 minus 1. This is equal to what? 2 by 4. Reduce now, then you get 1 by 2. Okay? Then see right hand side cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree means what? 1 by 2. That means left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, student, I hope you understood today's topic. Now look, HW norm 12, exercise 9.2, question number 15, 16, 17. Okay, page number 211. Okay, student, you have to solve this HW on the basis of today's topic. Okay, student. No more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.